Hi guys, this is Carol. Welcome back to my channel. And if you haven't done so yet, please like and subscribe. And please share with a friend. So, quick video guys, I'm not going to be long. This video is going to be all about hand filing or the announcement of a hand filing video. So, I did a video recently and someone requested that I do a hand filing video because her hand filing game was not on point, and I said challenge accepted. So I don't care how good you are at laying acrylic. If you are not very familiar with your hand file, specifically an 80/80 hand file, um, you might be experiencing some challenges with your finish, okay? I want to show you my 80/80. So this 80/80 used to look like this one when it was new, okay? This bad boy, you can see a little bit of when I soak my nails off, it still has a little bit of residue of, when I push the soft acrylic off. And the reason why I keep this hand file is because I'm trying to test the hand file for longevity. Okay, how much licking can one hand file take and keep on ticking? So this one it has mileage on it, guys. I'm telling you. So it is one of the hand files I purchased at my local nail supply store. And what I've been trying to do is use before acrylics and nails became so popular, especially since 2000. I'm trying to go back to the original, back in the 90s when I was getting my nails done at the nail salon. What are some of the tools that those nail techs were using? And their stuff looked like this, and their brush was this brush, okay? It's an S&S. And so I decided, hey, there's a lot of stuff out there and you can choose whatever you want. But I wanted to go back to the basics with you guys on hand filing. And I also wanted to show you that these files have longevity. And there's a couple of other companies. I am testing a Young Nail against this. Testing Get Nail 32 against this. And I'm testing Kiara Sky and somebody else's. So I will do a video separate on longevity of the hand files, okay? So this is an 80/80. So coming soon, like I said, I'll be doing a video where we have minimal hand filing, if we do any hand filing at all, but we're going to do a lot of, e-filing, minimal e-filing, but we're going to be doing maximum hand filing on that video, from the buffing to the pre-shaping of the nails to putting down the acrylic to resurfacing with a hand file. We're going to be talking about my favorite sponge buffer. Same thing. I'm testing it along with this one for longevity to see how long it lasts. And this is my personal stuff. I don't use this on anybody because when I'm at home, I don't do clients at home. So this is my personal stuff that I'm testing on me. And then we have the, you all know this is my favorite buffer to get the surface of the nails really, really smooth before I put either gel or traditional nail polish lacquer. And if you're really badass, I'm going to show you how to use one of these. A banana is your friend. I was researching on YouTube to see who had any information on hand filing with a banana. I think I may have found 1 or 2 videos from 3 years ago, but it was very slim pickings finding a video on the banana. Oh my gosh. Once you start using a banana for hand filing, you just won't go back. This one is a 100/180. So we're looking for finer, closer to finishing, but I'm trying to find one of these in 80/80, a banana in 80/80. If anybody knows where to find one, let me know. But coming soon, we will be doing a mostly, if not 100%, hand filing set. And I'll show you how to get around the cuticles and all of that stuff with a hand filing. Okay, and then I promise I'm going to do a video and I'm going to pull out all my pieces that I'm testing so that you can see, you know, which files really stand up and which one don't. Okay, it was great talking to you guys this morning. I got up inspired to do this video. I know it wasn't going to be long, but I wanted to put a video out this morning. Okay, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you soon.